Atlanta. The district attorney prosecuting Donald Trump for his efforts to overturn 2020 election in Georgia said he has a duty to prosecute anyone who violates the law and that pausing former presidents' trial was a stupid idea just because he is running for office. In an interview with the Associated Press this week, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis declined to say whether she or her team had been in contact with U.S. Justice Department Special Counsel Jack Smith, who filed federal charges in the election interference case against Trump. Washington. It also raised possibility that more of the 18 defendants in Trump's Georgia case could make plea deals, further reducing number of people who could be tried with Trump. Willis seeks an August trial date for Trump and other defendants. That's a period of time when current frontrunner for Republican presidential nomination will be taking court to defend himself in months, weeks and even days leading up November general election. Willis shrugged off the idea, noting that prosecutors across the country are constantly investigating people for various crimes and don't stop doing so just because someone runs for office. If prosecutor finds he violated the law, there is an ethical duty to file charges. And that to me is a ridiculous idea. Your criminal case will be stalled because someone runs away from office, he said. Willis alleged that Trump lawyer Rudy Giuliani, former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows and others participated in a wide-ranging scheme to overturn the 2020 election results after voters chose Democrat Joe Biden as president. 4 of the 19 people charged pleaded guilty after reaching agreements with prosecutors. Trump, Giuliani, Meadows and the rest have pleaded not guilty. Willis and his team said they wanted a single trial for the remaining defendants. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee, who presided over the case, expressed skepticism about the idea of trying so many people at once. Even 12 people at a time can be a challenge, he said earlier this month. Willis disagrees with the judge on this issue. My answer would be to have it scaled down to a size that we can try right now. But I don't know that all 15 will be at the table once we go through the process, he said. Prosecutors and defense lawyers are exchanging evidence. Preliminary hearing requests for most defendants are due early next month, as they review the evidence and the judge decides what is permissible for trial. Some defense attorneys may advise their clients that a negotiated plea is in their best interest. Willis said. Asked whether he expected Trump to spend time behind bars in Georgia based on how the case progressed, Willis declined to talk about any defendants. But he noted that the indictment contains serious charges that carry significant prison sentences, including alleged violations of the state's anti-racketeering law. You can look at the laws we imposed. It is a very